QED technologies provide solutions to the toughest optical polishing and measurement challenges, and they're expanding. Acquiring Dutch United Instruments means it's also gaining its famed Nanomefos technology that was on display in the NMF350.
What you're seeing here is a measurement machine for measuring aspherical and freeform optics. It is a non-contact machine that can measure all sorts of optical surfaces with an uncertainty in the order of 15 nanometers RMS. It has an optical probe and a tactile probe. You can see the tactile probe in action. This actually is a special version which can measure the alignment of front and backside from lenses.
There are lots of tools that offer 3D form metrology, but none have the versatility, accuracy, speed, and non-contact and ease of use as the NMF350.
What's special about this machine is our optical probe has a very long range. It has 5mm range, and with that we can measure aspherical and freeform surfaces real quickly. And speed is always nice, but speed also gives you mid-spatial frequency content because of high data density. And so that's one. The other is that what you see is we have a special metrology loop, a silicon carbide reference frame with which we measure where our optical probe is, and we measure where our product is in space. During a measurement at nanometer level, we measure what's going on, we can correct for it, and that gives us a repeatability in the order of 2 to 3 nanometers RMS. There's only one design like this. So this is a unique machine in the field of metrology. And especially the combination of having a tactile probe and an optical probe allows you for measuring reference features and the optical surface all in one instrument, all in one coordinate system. And that gives huge advantages, especially in diamond turning and in space optics, for instance.
QED Technologies works with its clients to find the right fit for the job. They know what you're looking for and how to get you there.
Customers always want better accuracy, but in the end, for measuring equipment, repeatability is the first thing you need to provide. And then with calibration, you can turn repeatability into measurement uncertainty. And so this machine has the best repeatability in the market. By calibrating using known artifacts, we can achieve these very low uncertainty numbers.
While this machine is on the cutting edge of 3D form metrology, QED techs are prepared to train your team on the ins and outs of this tool and say they can have you up and running in 60 minutes.
We have integrated this into a very user-friendly piece of software. So in the software, I can teach how it works in 1 hour, and then our clients are good to go. So it's real user-friendly. Getting good operators is becoming more and more difficult. And so the more you can put into software, the easier it is to find people that can actually use the machine. And our clients use it a lot. Once they have it, they get really excited about it.
To learn more about the metrology and polishing solutions available, go to QEDtech.com.